Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Canon EOS as a webcam. Okay, so there's a program you are going to download from Canon website that will allow you to use your Canon EOS as a webcam. So we are going to Google and we're gonna look for this program called EOS Webcam Utility. And then you're gonna go to Canon website. So website, you can see here they say live stream like a pro. Okay, from here you're gonna have to select the type of a Canon you got the iOS 50. Okay, you select the operating system. I got Windows. Please select your iOS. I got Windows 11. So this is what they recommend me. Okay, I'm gonna click select. It's gonna ask you to enter your first name, last name, and email address. Streaming. I'm gonna click submit and then click close. And then from here, I'm gonna click download. So it's downloading. We are going to wait. It's done. I'm going to open the folder. As you can see here, I'm gonna extract it here. I'm gonna install it. Yes. You go next. I'm gonna accept term and condition. Next. Next. Want a desktop. Go next. Install. They might ask you to install Microsoft Visual C++. You say install. Successfully. And there's another one to install. Install. Then close it. Click install. It's gonna ask you, would you like to install the device software? You click yes, install. Let's finish. And ask you to restart your laptop. I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna say allow. Now I'm going to plug my EOS camera. Let's switch it on. This is my camera. Okay. And you can use this camera as a webcam for live streaming or whatever you want. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.